Welcome to our channel. Today, we discuss something everyone experiences, anger. That hot, intense feeling when your heart races, your hands clench, and your thoughts spiral. But did you know anger can literally change how you think and make decisions? Imagine this: someone cuts you off in traffic. You feel your chest tighten, your face heat up, and your mind fixates on what just happened. That's your amygdala, your brain's emotional alarm system, reacting instantly. It signals danger, even if the threat isn't life-threatening. Anger floods your body with adrenaline and cortisol, the stress hormones. Your heart races, muscles tense, and your focus narrows. Suddenly, your brain prioritizes action over reasoning. That's why angry moments feel urgent. You're ready to fight, defend, or react. Here's the crucial part: anger temporarily dampens activity in your prefrontal cortex, the brain region responsible for reasoning, planning, and self-control. With logic on pause, you're more likely to make impulsive decisions, overreact, or say things you regret. Your brain is wired to act first, think later. Anger also amplifies attention and memory. You'll replay the event in your mind, fixating on details that fuel the emotion. That can make anger linger, affecting not just one decision but multiple choices afterward. Your thoughts become biased, focusing on threat, blame, or revenge, but not all anger is bad. In controlled doses, it can motivate problem-solving, assertiveness, and change. Your brain's reward system can link anger with action, helping you correct mistakes or set boundaries. The key is awareness and regulation. Pausing allows your prefrontal cortex to regain control. Mindfulness, deep breathing, or taking a short break activates your reasoning centers, lowers stress hormones, and helps you make decisions with clarity rather than emotion. Understanding how anger works in your brain gives you power to respond instead of react. So next time anger rises, remember, it's more than a feeling. It hijacks your thoughts, skews your decisions, and triggers your body. But knowing how it works gives you control. Your brain can still think clearly, even in the heat of emotion. I want to hear from you. How has anger affected your decisions, and what helped you calm down? Comment below and share your story. And if you want more videos exploring how your brain shapes emotions and choices, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your brain feels deeply, but understanding it helps you respond wisely.